Guys, ngayon guys, wala akong magawa guys, kaya napag-isipan kong magluto ng snacks. So this is my kind of snacks guys. Cheese hot dog, what we call that, spam, and yung ginawa kong lumpia Shanghai. So, eto lang yung kakainin natin for today, guys. Ayan. At with sweet chili sauce, ketchup, premium ketchup hot, and mild ketchup. So, eto guys, ang aming snacks for today. Ayan guys, so ang cute, smile. Ayan, naka-smile ang aking snacks. Masarap guys. Habang manood ng TV, Netflix.